This is a nature campaign advocacy. I am Riza Miss Cartin. I am Nelia Barzo.
Nature is one gift of God. It is beautiful. When we see nature, the first thing that comes to our minds is flowers, plants, trees. But nature also consists of the hills, valleys, rivers, ocean. Nature is very important to human being. So, nowadays, people do not know how to preserve them well. In present, there is global warming, which is basically caused by cutting down many trees. People cut trees to construct buildings, roads. Despite all this, only a few people are trying to stop this. If all this happens, there won't be anything left for the future. This is the place that people go because the surroundings are clean and beautiful, and the water is clean. There are many trees. We should take care of these places. Don't fill them with garbage and dirt so that I won't spoil how beautiful the river is when we have children. We can't wander here because our place is clean. We should take care of these places. We should not destroy them because we can benefit from these places.